Well. Today my phone decided to let me know that we are in a wind advisory. I live in the Midwest. There's always a wind advisory. It's always windy! You think that in time, if it really wanted to notify me, there is no wind today. I repeat, there is no wind. Then I'd be in shock. But wind advisory? I looked at my phone and went, really? And your current location has a wind advisory. The other locations you have in the Midwest have a wind advisory. Yeah, it's always windy here. All the time. That's why we have these giant windmills to collect the wind energy. No, it doesn't collect wind. Just in case you were wondering, there will still be wind. It doesn't pull it out of the atmosphere or wherever wind comes from. It just harnesses the energy of turning the turbine to collect electricity. Science. I know. I'm good at this. But come on. A wind advisory in the Midwest. It could be worse. One of these times I'm waiting with how life has been changing drastically. I am honestly waiting for my phone to go, your current location is in a hurricane warning. I repeat, you are in a hurricane warning. This area has never seen a hurricane ever. Then I might actually be oh, well, should have bought that styrofoam couch. But 2020 hindsight it is. It's like California going, you are in a earthquake watch. You are in a tornado warning. Be like Maine going and Wisconsin, you are going to get snow. Seriously? Come on, people have lived in the area long enough. We know what the weather's going to do. But in case you're new to the area, it's always nice. If you don't live near family, it's always nice to have those warnings oh, grandma's in a hurricane warning. She lives in Missouri. My friend in Florida is in a heat advisory. They might have a frost warning tonight. It might reach the low of 72. But all in all, over the last year, the only thing that has consistently stayed the same is the weather. So thank you, Mother Nature, for never disappointing and always being right where we need you to be and knowing exactly what to expect from you. The rest of the world, on the other hand, that's a whole different... Oh, it smelled like somebody farted. It's a whole different story. I went squirrel. Sorry about that, but that's what I do. So, until the next breaking weather update, next, it'll be summertime, and it'll be hot. Unless you live in Antarctica, then it will be cold. All the time. Unless you live in space, it'll be really goddamn cold. Because you're in space. Make sure you pack your coat to go outside in the spacewalk. Enjoy until next time.